Instructor exercise 197 to 198. The young investor is apt to be nonplussed by the business vocabulary of the stockbroker full stop. If he reads the financial articles on the stock and share markets, he will come across such expressions as buying for control, carrying over facilities, day to day money, money a drug on the market, demoralized markets, professional bear account, professional bull account, and upward movement full stop. In the mining market section, he will read of prospectors' rights, concentrating plant, reduction plant, sinking operations, and the report of a year's working will mention dead weight per ton, yield per ton, and yield percent full stop. We probably knows little of directors' qualifications, and is liable to be misled into buying low yielding securities full stop. New para. Among the various investments, there are consolidated annuities or consoles, a funded debt, of the government, cumulative preference shares, non-cumulative preference shares, first mortgage debentures, second preference shares, and so on. Full stop. He may come across bank transfers and bearer shares, and have to study the subscribed capital, the capital liabilities, and proportion of reserve to liabilities, and the surplus profits of going concerns full stop. He will have to pay special attention to the sinking fund, an amount which is annually set aside out of revenue and invested with the interest accruing to provide, at a future date, for the redemption of a loan or a series of debentures, or for recouping the gradual shrinkage in value by exhausting the known profit bearing resources of a mine or similar undertaking full stop. New para. When taking up stocks and shares, he will, of course, be influenced by interim dividends, and whether the stocks and shares are come dividend or ex-dividend, and in some cases, after much trouble and some worry, he may receive a letter of regret full stop. In the case of companies being floated, he must notice if the stock exchange is giving a special settlement full stop. Certainly, and the investment of money so as to produce a satisfactory return is no easy matter, and whether convertible gold bonds or guaranteed preference shares and held, it is necessary to exercise the greatest caution, full stop. Even the most astute investor may be deceived at times by prospectuses, and balance sheets may fail to reveal the true state of affairs of a company, full stop.